In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to your Depop account. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Depop.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your usual account details. Make sure you're signing in through the official Depop website so your information stays secure. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to double check that you log out when you're done. After you've signed in, look toward the top area of the page for your profile icon. Click on it to open your account options, then choose your selling hub. This is the section where Depop organizes the main tools related to selling, payments, and account management. If you sell regularly, this area is especially useful because it brings all of your seller settings into one place. Once you're inside the selling hub, find and select payments. This section handles the financial side of your account, including how you receive money from your sales. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct place before moving on, especially if your screen looks slightly different due to updates in Depop's layout. Next, click on Payment Settings. This is where you can manage the payment methods connected to your seller account. If you're setting this up for the first time, you may see prompts guiding you through the process. If you've been here before, just look for the option to connect PayPal. Now click Connect PayPal. A secure browser window should open, taking you to PayPal's authorization page. Because this is a secure sign-in window, always check that it looks like the official PayPal login page before entering any details. Then sign in with your PayPal account credentials in that secure window. After signing in, PayPal will usually show you a confirmation screen explaining that you're about to link your PayPal account with Depop. Read through the information on the screen so you understand what you're authorizing. When you're ready, approve the connection to complete the setup, and once the authorization goes through, your PayPal account should now be linked to Depop. At that point, you can return to your payment settings and confirm that the connection appears correctly. If the page doesn't update right away, try refreshing the browser or reopening the payment settings page. And that's it. Your PayPal